Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home page, the watch face. On this page, swipe left like that to scroll through the list of tiles or widgets, basically. Find the widget that is called heart rate. Basically looks like this. We have the heart rate, the BPM, and also the measure button. And if you want to measure the heart rate, simply tap on measure button and keep still and wait for the result. And here we have the result. You can also tap on tag button right here to tag the result, like general, resting, after exercise, and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And of course, you can also tap on measure button again to measure it again. You can also, I believe, enable the measurement to be done automatically. And to do it, we need to open the settings. So let's swipe up from the bottom of the screen, scroll down, find the settings icon, and tap on it. In settings, let's find the option called, I believe, Samsung Health, this one, and tap on it. And here you have the heart rate option. You can tap on it and we can select measure continuously, every 10 minutes while still, and manual only. If you select the measure continuously, the watch will measure your heart rate all the time. But be aware, if you enable this option, it will reduce your battery life a lot on your watch. The next option is every 10 minutes while still. So basically, when you're not moving, the watch will measure the heart rate every 10 minutes. So basically when you're sitting, sleeping, and stuff like that. And the last option is manual only. And if you select this option, you will be able only to measure the heart rate when you do it manually. Okay, below that we can also set the heart rate zones or alerts, basically. So you can enable the alert for the high heart rate, for example. Tap on the check mark, and here you can tap on it and set the boundary, basically. So for example, if I set it to 150, when my heart rate reaches 150 or above it, the watch will alert me that my heart rate is high and I should slow down or basically do something about it. Next we have the low heart rate, and this is the same principle but for the low end. So you can select the low heart rate, then tap done, and then enable it if you want to get the alert. Okay, and then you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.